In the early morning of May 24, 2024, a major fire broke out at an apartment building located at 76 Trung Kinh Street, Cau Giay District, Hanoi. The blaze erupted around 3 a.m. on the ground floor of the 8-story building, where there were many flammable materials. The fire quickly spread to the U. Currently, the director of the city police is directing relevant units and the Cau Giay District Police to urgently investigate, verify, and clarify the cause of the fire in coordination with the professional departments of the Ministry of Public Security to resolve and handle the case strictly. At 4:30 a.m. on the same day, in an exchange with VNMnet reporters, a representative of the Fire Prevention and Control and Rescue Police Department of Hanoi Police stated that the rescue operation had been completed. Authorities have initially confirmed 14 fatalities and are in the process of